today we're going to be doing this Thanksgiving makeup look right here. I think I said last video that I was going to be doing like a dramatic makeup look, but you know, not very dramatic, isn't it? That I would be doing my makeup for Thanksgiving dinner. Yeah, I just haven't been having enough time to do anything. I literally just can't, fit in the time. Like, I really can't. Like, I've just been really busy, I feel like, and yeah, and I'm gonna have to pre-record this week because this weekend I'm gonna be pretty busy and I'm not gonna be able to have enough time to record at all, so I have to, like, you know, pre-record, and yeah, so that's great. But I just wanted to do this natural, easy, very easy like makeup look, and it has like a red liner. It's just so cute. It's more of an orange liner IRL, but on camera I think, well, at least on the monitor, it looks kind of red, so yeah, whatever. But I really love how this turned out. Like, I feel very Thanksgiving-y. Is that a word? It's not, but whatever. I also got a haircut. I got 2 inches off, and I really love how it turned out. Like, I really, the guy that did it, I got a trim from him before, but he's not the one that I got like the full chop off or whatever. I didn't get like the full, didn't cut my hair first. That's what I'm trying to say. She did it, and then she did it a little bit crooked, which, I mean, kind of made me go insane, but I was fine with it. And then months later I got a little trim by this guy at Hair Cuttery, and he didn't make my hair look crooked, so that's like really a plus, because a lot of hair like places, they kind of like, they do it crooked or they don't do it right, and it's just like this side's longer than the other from back here, and it's just like, it's horrible. But that guy, yes. And I've been getting, this is my second time getting a trim from him, and I really love how he does my hair. Like, I got 2 inches off, and I think it's a little bit too much because I love curling my hair. You could like just look on my Instagram, my YouTube, like I just curl my hair so much. But I curled my hair the other day, and it was kind of too short for my liking. I don't know, I kind of need to figure out how many ways I can curl my hair, do like waves and stuff like that. Like, I know how to do a wave, but I always just go towards that really curled look. I don't know why, even though when I'm going into it like, okay, let's do waves, and then at the end it's just like this curling, like big curls kind of flipped over look, and yeah. But I really liked how he cuts my hair, and he did not, I said 2 inches, he didn't give me an idea for 2 inches. It was all me. I should have said just 1 inch, but I said 2. But I really love the length when it's straightened. Just when it's curled, it's just a little bit, it's like this high when it's curled, and it's just too high for me. But it's still cute, but it's just too high, you know, it's just too much. But yeah, I really love how this look turned out, and I hope you guys did too. I'm not gonna be wearing this makeup look for my Thanksgiving dinner. I'm hoping that next video is gonna be my Thanksgiving makeup look. Like, it's gonna be very smoky, very dramatic, and yeah, I'm just trying to get like a bunch of little things from different looks and put it into one look, and that's the look that I'm gonna be wearing. But I just can't find any inspo. Once I put Thanksgiving makeup look, it's just not even what I'm wanting, and like, if I put it in Pinterest, Google, it's just not what I'm wanting. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure it out. But I really like how this turned out. It's very cute or whatever. You can do whatever kind of liner you want. I just decided to do more of a orangey red liner. So but yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this makeup look right here, this cutesy makeup, natural, very easy to do makeup look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I already did this eye off camera real quick. I am still deciding if I want to do lashes or not, to be honest. Like, I don't know what I want. I think I'll just keep it like this since I feel like today's one of those days where I feel like I haven't worn makeup in years. So that's the thing. I did cut my hair. You guys probably saw in the beginning. I think I'm going to straighten it. I am going to be kind of rushing through this video. I don't even know if I'm going to have time to straighten it, to be honest. I have to leave for a delivery. My mom does cakes, if you don't know. She does like wedding cakes, birthday cakes, and stuff like that. And I actually have to deliver one, and because she's most likely going to be delivering another one at the same exact time, because for some reason she likes planning 2 or 3 deliveries at the same exact time. Don't know, ask her. Whatever. And I did use a couple shades from this palette. This is a new palette for me. This is the Profusion's 9 shade multi-finish eyeshadow palette in basic. So yeah, I just used a couple shades from this, and we're gonna go ahead and go in it. I didn't use the first shade. I actually used this Dominique Latte palette, and I used the color called Caramel first. And you guys can see that there's obviously tape here. This will just help me later with the wing liner, and it just makes everything just like, you know, it'll make everything look pulled back. So I'm just going to put Caramel in my crease as a transition. Now this makeup look, I won't be wearing it for Thanksgiving. On Sunday I was going to do like a full glam of a makeup look for Thanksgiving dinner, something that I'm going to be wearing. But I don't have time. I just haven't been having enough time to record a very glam, smoky makeup look. So I'm trying to just really rush. It's like 10 o'clock and I have to leave at like 11 something, and I'm pretty sure I'll have time. But if I do something very dramatic, I will not have time. So this is just very easy to slap on if you're in a rush at all. So yeah. This color right here, they don't have names on them, I don't think. No, they don't have names for them. But I'm going to be using this color right here. So I'm just going to grab that color and just put that on the outer part of the crease. And then once I apply all that shadow there, I'll start blending up here with it. Then I'll grab a little bit of hazelnut right here from the Dominique Latte palette, just a little bit at a time, just to darken that up a little bit more. And then I'll just go back to the Profusion color. Then I'm going to blend everything together with the first brush that we used. And then I'm going to go straight in with a shimmer shadow. I actually want to use this color right here. If I could show you guys, this one right here. These 3 shimmer shades are so bomb, but I'm not really like the greatest fan of the matte shades. I'm going to be using this color. This color is not really like the matte colors that I already used in this palette when I was doing it on this eye. I'm just not really a big fan. They're pigmented, but not pigmented enough for me. But whatever, it's $5. I mean, I can't complain. But I'm going to use this color right here. These colors right here are very pigmented, so that's all I have to say. I'm going to take the shimmer shadow, and I am going to grab that and, like, look, that's very pigmented. But I'm going to grab that and put that on my lid. Now I'm going to go in with this red shade right here with this Posh dual-ended brush. It comes with like a eyeliner brush and like this fluffy angled brush. I'm gonna take the like eyeliner brush, obviously, and I'm gonna grab that color, that red, and I am just gonna do my eyeliner. Now I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette because you could see it. It's like you could see it, but it's not. You could see through that shade, and I'm not a big fan of that. But I'm going to be grabbing this color and putting it on top, and also putting this color on top also, just to make it more darker and more defined. So I'm going to take this color first, and then we'll go in with the darker shade. Just like that, and I kind of went a little bit overboard. Like, I mean, look at it. I did not mean it to get this long at all. Like, I really did not at all. But you know, I guess it's okay. So I'm gonna put on mascara. I'm gonna be putting on this mascara right here. I don't know the brand. It's right here, Cloucca. I don't know, but it'll be down below for you guys. It's a Maxlash volumizing mascara. Alright guys, so I kind of messed up on this eye a little bit. There's just a little bit of mascara on my crease, but you know, that's okay, that's fine. And a little bit on my wing liner up here. I don't know if you guys could see it. I think you guys can, but I'll fix that later. But now what I'm going to be doing, there's a lot of fallout. That's all I gotta say right now. So I took this Fash Cosmetics brush. I think I got this brush on Amazon. It came with a whole set, but I'm just going to be taking this in the shade that I put on my lid from the Profusions palette, this color. I just put it on my inner corner and connected it to my lid. But I'm going to do the same thing that I did to this bottom lash line. I'm still debating if I want to do like a white waterline or a black waterline. I don't know. I really don't. I'm going to be wearing this shirt today, and I just have dark jeans on, and I have a little bun, and my hair is straight now. I should put some earrings on. Hold on. Oh, and the lashes. I totally forgot to tell you guys. So the wing liner was just so long, and I just had to put on lashes, falsies. I wasn't gonna do that because I just didn't feel like it. Because I'm basically really just doing errands today. I'm not really doing much. And also my lashes will be down below for you guys because I believe they're called, yeah, I don't know what they're called. I tried to remember, but I don't remember. But I am gonna grab this color now, which is the color that we put on the outer part of the crease. I'm gonna grab that color and just put it on the outer part of the eye, and then we'll be done with the bottom lash line. So I just took the same color that I took, the first color that I used in the crease, which is Caramel from the Dominique Latte palette. I just took this Sonia Kajuk brush right here, and I'm just gonna, you know, sweep it down there. Now I'm just going to put some powder under my eyes for my mascara and try not to get it on my shirt or my jeans because I'm wearing dark jeans, and that would be bad if I got them on my dark jeans. Now the liner that I'm going to be using is this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. You could totally use like a black one if you want to like do that extra step to make it a little bit more dramatic on the dramatic side. But I'm just gonna do this because this is more of a natural, but also like it's more on the natural side, but the liner just makes it pop even more and says Thanksgiving or even Christmas if you're watching this later in the year. Like, it could totally be a Christmas makeup look if you wanted it to. Alrighty guys, so I actually had to go and deliver real quick, but you know, I don't even remember what I was talking about. I said I was talking about the liner, and then I was talking about my lashes. I do have my lippy on, so I'm just gonna go straight ahead with that and tell you guys what I'm wearing. I put on the Millow matte lipstick in Posh, and I went in with this Ulta Beauty little lipstick in Honey. But I just really wanted to mess with, like, I don't know, like this palette, like the color in this palette, this one right here, like when I got it, I just thought of Thanksgiving, and I really wanted to use that red shade slash orange shade, and today I just wanted to use it as my liner, so I did, and I really like how it turned out. If you did, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below what you guys want to see next. I think next video is gonna be like a very dramatic Thanksgiving makeup look, because I want to do my Thanksgiving makeup look. Let me stop right here and not make this video long. It most likely won't, but you know, I talk too much and we know that. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!